For the carrots, we're going to make a very simple glazed carrot. To start, we need to peel all of our carrots. And once we have all of our carrots peeled, we're going to clear our cutting board and get ready to cut our carrots. We're going to cut our carrots on the bias, which means at an angle. So if you look at what I'm doing here, I'm cutting basically coins, but I'm cutting them at a sharp angle to make them look larger, which makes them look a little bit nicer. Once we have all of our carrots cut, we need to take some butter and get it into a pan. We're going to start with a cold pan and bring our butter up slowly. The reason for this is if we use a hot pan, our butter can burn or our butter can brown. Once our butter starts to melt, we'll add our carrots. Once our carrots are added to the pan, we're going to stir them around and season them with salt and pepper. We're going to cook them in this butter for just a few minutes, about 5 minutes or so. And what I like to do is I like to put the lid on just to give them a little bit of steam, and that's going to help cook the carrots more evenly. Once we cook the carrots in the butter for 5 minutes, we're going to add some stock, and that's going to come right from our cooking liquid. Once we add that to the carrots, we're going to then steam them in this liquid. Now, my pan has small vents on the side, so some of this liquid will evaporate. If you don't have that, you will need to cover it to help the carrots cook, but you'll probably have to vent the lid to allow this steam to escape. Once you've cooked your carrots for approximately another 5 minutes, you want to take a fork and kind of poke at them to see how your carrots are doing. Once your carrots are soft, you'll notice here that the liquid and the butter have started to form a glaze. This is because the butter and the liquid have kind of reached an equilibrium, about 50-50 butter and the liquid. Once this happens, you'll be able to toss your carrots and they'll have this nice glazed effect. Really, at this point, you're finished, and you can sprinkle some parsley on top. But also make sure you taste a carrot to make sure that you check it for salt and pepper. If it needs more seasoning, do so now.